Today, how to solve the given transportation problem by northwest corner method. What do you mean by northwest corner method? Which means you have to start to write the values in the north corner and supposed to end at west corner. Hence it is called as north to west corner method. Look at this problem, okay, and here this is the matrix given. O1 2 3 stands for origin, and D1 D2 D3 represents destination. And look at supply. These are the supply, that is 5 8 7 14 equals to 34. Similarly, the demand is 7 9 18. If you add all these three, that also comes to 34. It means demand and supply is going to match. Now, how to solve this northwest corner method? Let me just you prepare this kind of table first before you enter the values. As it is, I will write here 2, okay, and this is 7 4 3 1 3 1 5 4 7 1 6 2. Now look at the demand in the first column, that is 7 units, whereas the supply in the first row is 5. So since compared to demand, supply is less because demand is 7, supply is 5. Whatever you can able to give in the demand, that we can give. Hardly I can give is 5, because supply itself is 5. 7 I cannot satisfy, but whatever the maximum supply is there, that is 5. Therefore I have given here 5. But doesn't mean 5 if you satisfy, if you give to the 7, but still another 2 is required for that. So therefore what I am doing is another 2 is taking from the second row, which is 8. So let me write here 2. It means here 5 plus 2 7. This column demand is satisfied. Okay. Further I have to move this side. In the next column, if you look at, demand is 9, okay, and supply is, of course, out of 8 2 you have given, remaining is only 6. Okay, 6 I can give. You write like this. Okay, so 6 plus 2, supply is also matches, but the demand is only the 9, out of which 6 we have given. Another 3 is required. That 3 I am going to take from this third row, that is supply is 7. Therefore let me write here 3. Look at 6 plus 3 is 9. In the second column, demand is also satisfied, and here if you look at 6 plus 2 8, supply is also satisfied. Now I have to move to this. Now here is, what is that, 18 demand. Yes, demand is 18, and supply is 5 plus 3. No, sorry. Yes, demand is what is that, 18, and supply is 7, out of which already 3 is being given. Therefore remaining is only 4. 4 I can give here. Next 14 is still I have to satisfy, but in the last column 14 is there. Therefore 14 I am giving to this cell. Look at the given table. 4 plus 14 is 18, satisfied. 6 plus 3 9 is satisfied. 5 plus 2 7 is also satisfied. Look horizontally, row wise. 5 supply, 5 is there. Supply is 8. 2 plus 6 8 is there, and here supply is 7. So 3 plus 4 is 7, and here 14 is there. 14. Hence the problem is solved. Then initial basic feasible solutions, that is called initial basic feasible solutions, are, see here, x11 means first row first column is equal to 5. Next second row first column is 2. Then second row second column is 6. Then third row second column is 3. Next third third column is fourth, then fourth row third column is what is that? 14. These are called as initial basic feasible solution. And transportation cost is how to find this. See, 5 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 6 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 7 plus 14 into 2. Whatever the amounts you comes, that is the transportation cost of given the problem, which is being solved now by northwest corner method.